Hi, I'm Vesna Peroska, Portfolio Manager for Morningstar Investment Management. Welcome to this week's Morningstar Market Minute, where we explore markets, the economy, and other notable trends every Friday lunchtime. We'll kick off by discussing market events, Morningstar's outlook, and how our portfolios are positioned for the current environment. Starting with the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, where a 25 basis point cut in the Fed funds rate was decided. There were 3 dissenting votes, something not seen since 2019. It appears the decision was tilted towards concern for a weakening labour market. This leaves inflation concerns to be dealt with in 2026, but on a positive note, US banks benefited from the news. The Japanese yen continued its devaluation, sitting at 104 yen to the Aussie dollar by Thursday, where, despite rising policy rates, real rates remain negative, with the 10-year JGB near 2%, almost 1% below the most recent inflation prints. This devaluation serves to improve Japanese competitiveness in their export markets. Currency markets have delivered large moves this year, and while the attention has been on AI, it is a reminder not to ignore other opportunities across assets. Finally, turning to equities. The Australian market was weaker outside of energy and metals. US small caps were up over 2%, while some tech names have been under increased scrutiny for the rising use of debt to support AI-related expenditure, given the uncertain payoff from this investment. In EM, Brazilian equities were down last Friday as markets reacted to election news. The volatility in recent weeks serves to remind us that prioritising valuation is important. It supports staying invested and to access new opportunities when markets fall. Holding cash ready for deployment and diversifying strategies within your portfolios can support returns during these periods. Thank you for watching this week's Market Minute. This is our last update for the year, and we'll be back on January 30. Until then, we hope you have a fantastic Christmas and some well-deserved time with your loved ones. Take care, and we'll see you next year.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your objectives, financial situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.